Tesla's Model 3 and Model Y require specific cleaning techniques to maintain their appearance and longevity. These vehicles use aluminum body panels and advanced paint finishes that are susceptible to damage from improper cleaning methods or harsh chemicals. This video will guide you through the correct way to wash, dry, and protect your Tesla's paint, ensuring it stays in top condition and avoids warranty issues. Ignoring proper care can lead to swirl marks, etching, and costly repairs, potentially voiding your exterior warranty. Tesla vehicles feature a multi-layer clear coat over aluminum and steel, providing durability but requiring gentle handling. Understanding this paint system is crucial. Avoid acidic or alkaline cleaning products as they can etch the clear coat. Tesla specifically recommends pH-neutral 7-9 soaps to prevent damage. Be mindful of stainless steel trim on models like the Model Y, which needs specific non-abrasive cleaners to prevent rust. Always test products on an inconspicuous area first. Begin with a pre-wash rinse using a hose or low-pressure washer under 1200 psi to remove loose dirt and debris. Use the two-bucket method. One bucket for soapy water with pH-neutral soap and another for rinsing your wash mitt. Use a microfiber mitt or lamb's wool pad for gentle scrubbing. Wash the car panel by panel, working from top to bottom, and rinse thoroughly after each section. Tesla's official app has a care mode that suggests cleaning schedules, adapting to your local weather and driving habits. Drying immediately after washing is crucial to prevent water spots. These spots form when minerals in water evaporate, leaving behind residue on the paint. Use a clean, high-quality microfiber towel. These towels are soft and absorbent, gently lifting water without scratching the paint. For hard-to-reach areas, such as wheel wells or undercarriage, use a blower like a leaf blower. This blasts away water without contact, reducing the risk of damage. Tesla recommends synthetic chamois for streak-free results. This material absorbs water quickly and leaves a clear, shiny finish. Avoid drying in direct sunlight, as rapid evaporation can cause water to dry too quickly, leaving behind mineral deposits. Work in shade when possible. If water spots persist despite proper drying, use a dedicated water spot remover specifically designed for automotive paint. Apply it carefully to avoid damaging the clear coat. Protect your Tesla's paint with wax or sealant every 3 to 6 months to maintain its shine and durability. For wax protection, silicone-based waxes are recommended for their hydrophobic properties. This means they repel water and dirt, making future cleaning much easier and helping to protect against environmental contaminants. For longer-term protection, consider ceramic coatings. These offer 1 to 2 years of durability, providing enhanced resistance to scratches, UV damage, and chemical etching. They use SiO2 nanotechnology for superior bonding to the paint surface. Apply the product according to the manufacturer's instructions. Start by preparing the surface, then use a microfiber applicator pad for even distribution of the wax or coating. Finally, buff the surface with a clean microfiber towel to achieve a streak-free, glossy finish. Remember that Tesla advises against applying wax on sensors to prevent interference with the vehicle's advanced systems. Always avoid areas around cameras, radar, and ultrasonic sensors. Tesla strongly advises against brush-based automatic car washes due to the risk of scratching the aluminum panels and damaging the clear coat. Also, avoid using household cleaners like dish soap, which can strip wax and cause water spots. These contain chemicals that are too harsh for automotive paint. Sticking to pH-neutral, automotive-specific cleaning products is crucial for preserving your Tesla's finish. Regular cleaning and protection are essential to maintain your Tesla's shine. Consider professional detailing services for thorough treatments like clay bar treatments to remove embedded contaminants. Stay updated on emerging trends such as AI-powered detailing apps and self-healing coatings. Tesla might release a subscription-based cleaning service in the future. By following these steps, you can keep your Tesla looking its best for years to come.